Hello, in this short video I want to give you an update of my projects and plans for the channel. In some future videos I will have narration and I would like to hear what you think of my voiceovers. I'm introducing two new levels of restoration, touch-up and resurrection. Touch-ups. Restorations of shoes that are in decent condition. These videos will have more emphasis on the techniques that I use. It's also a good excuse to show a variety of cool and interesting shoes. And resurrection. Shoes that are brought back from the brink of death, testing my skills and patience. I bought a Canon 70D, which will replace my Nokia 8.1. The Nokia smartphone has served me well, but it's really time for an upgrade. I will be experimenting with different camera angles, close-ups and presentation. It's all really interesting and new territory for me, but quite time-consuming. I am improving the lighting setup as well, hopefully without turning my kitchen in a studio. And yes, I'm filming in my kitchen. I have gathered footage of many restorations and now I'm focused on the screening and editing of all this material. Lastly, I'm trying new patina techniques and the patina shown here I pretentiously call night sky. All in all, many interesting restorations await. A big heartfelt thank you to all my subscribers and I'll leave you with this shot of my cluttered workbench. Till next time.